closing, big deals, big 6-figure, 7-figure, sometimes 8-figure deals. And if you're closing 8-figure deals, you're making 7 figures. All right, so it's been a while, but I got some great news from, you guys remember Shane?
What's up?
Oh shit. So last we spoke, you haven't seen the YouTube video, helped him go from a $70,000 comp plan to $80,000. And guess what? 8 months later, he's an account executive.
Yeah, man.
10 months later, 10 months after his initial, which by the way is a huge achievement.
Yeah.
Most SDRs stay in the role longer than a year.
18 months, yeah.
18 months on average, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 25% jump and
25% raise.
25% raise.
Very blessed.
And but the irony of this is, you never want to be satisfied.
It's so true.
It's so true. So I looked at his comp plan and I was helping him with actually like planning. Even if you did 200% of your number, you're gonna make low 6 figures.
Yeah.
Which is a huge accomplishment. Like going from when we first shot this to now. So the question that we're gonna answer today is how do we go from there to like even doubling your comp again?
Yeah.
Again, right?
Yep, of course. And
in the technology sales business, you can make on a comp plan $250,000, and if you're the best, $300,000 on an OTE basis. But of course, at that the stakes are really high. You're working at the top accounts in the country, closing big deals, big 6-figure, 7-figure, sometimes 8-figure deals. And if you're closing 8-figure deals, you're making 7 figures. You're making over $1 million in commission. And so to answer your question, the question is, how do you get to the next level? The problem in Shane's example is you're working for a startup. And what I'm seeing is your startup's products are not priced high enough for you to make that much money.
Right.
That's the problem. It's a fundamental of economics where there isn't enough margin to give you enough of the deal for you to make $250,000.
Right.
That's it. So knowing that, there's a really great article that is the highest top paying sales reps in the software business.
Okay.
So start there. Done. Right? They're typically going to be the larger software companies because they sell big contracts. So if you are an income or commission motivated sales rep, you want to let's just walk around.
Yeah.
If you want to do that, then you need to chase after the big deals. Okay? Does it make sense? The big companies.
Sense. Yeah.
Or you work for a rising hot enterprise startup and you make not only your deals through commission, but you also make it through equity. That's how you can get another double.
Got it.
Got it? So just start thinking about what you really want.
So sum it up one more time.
The sum it up is you need to go close big deals. If you want to make a lot of money as an enterprise software sales rep or any sales rep for that matter, it's all about the big deals. There are top San Francisco real estate agents that I personally know that make more money than some of the top sales reps in the Valley because they're just closing bigger deals. They're closing big real estate contracts, right?
Yeah.
Same thing applies to where you're fitting in. The problem is not that you're not a good closer. The problem is you're closing too small of deals.
Absolutely.
Right? So if you want to get to the next level, you need to go work for a big company. That's one way. Or you work for a company that can sell big products and you get an equity component on the side, right, to make up for that difference, and you get that small company feel.
Yeah.
Right? I have friends who make $500,000, not including equity, at SaaS companies, mid-stage enterprise sales companies in this area.
Bring it on.
Make sense?
Bring it on.
So
that's what's next.
That's what's next.
Got the vision.
Yep. And now he's getting the experience. The good news is you're not coming in fresh. But my argument to you and why I think that your current startup wasn't the right choice is because now it's like, then what? You have to now make another leap and maybe you have to start over again. Whereas I always wanted you to go straight to how I got started. Go straight to the big boys. Go straight to Salesforce, and get your experience there and then go small. Because then when you come in like, I'm corporate trained. I've worked with some of the best sales reps in the industry. And I can not only, crush everyone else, but I'm also better. All right.